This is the fourth and final video for the 2004 Cayley math contest. We're talking about question 20, and question 20 says, an archery target has 3 regions, each worth a different value if it is hit. 3 archers shoot 2 arrows each, and the record scores as follows. The first archer shoots 1 arrow into C and 1 arrow into A for a score of 15 points. While the second archer shoots 1 arrow into C, 1 arrow into B for a score of 18 points, and the third archer shoots 1 arrow into B and 1 arrow into A for a score of 13 points. The question asks, if a fourth archer shoots 2 arrows into ring B, her score is what? So firstly, we just do exactly what the question says. We just put this into numerical form. And now that we have a bunch of equations, we can see that here it's just C plus A equals 15 and C plus B equals 18. C, A, B, and C just representing how many points you get by shooting into each region. Well, you see the difference here is just A and B. We see that A, let's just say if A is the smaller number, then we see that B minus A equals 3 because that's just the difference. That's the only difference here. So then we know that B equals A plus 3. So now that we know this, we can just put it back into the last equation. B plus A equals 13, and we get A plus 3 equals 13. We have 2A equals 10, and we find that A equals 5. And now that we know that A equals 5, we can just put it back into this equation. Then we could just put it back into this equation and find that if we move A to the other side, B equals A plus 3. Then since we know that A equals 5, then B equals 5 plus 3, which is 8. So then we know that B equals 8. If this fourth archer shoots 2 arrows into ring B, then her score is 8 times 2, which is 16. And that concludes section B of the 2004 Cayley Waterloo math contest.